Assalamualaikum and good morning. My name is Hamzah bin Zakaria. My partner is Puan Sadatunisan binti Nasruddin. We are from Polytechnic Mersing, Johor, Malaysia. The title for my presentation is Arduino Cafe Robot based on line follower. Introduction. Line following is one of the most important aspects of robotics. A line follower robot is an autonomous robot which is able to follow either a black line that is drawn on the 45-degree surface consisting of a contrasting color. It is designed to move automatically and follow the line. The robot uses an array of optical sensors to identify the line, thus assisting the robot to stay on the track. Goal and objective. Goal. The purpose of the study the construction of a cafe robot by using the line follower method to lift the tea plate in the cafeteria. Objective. Number one, to ensure the construction of the line follower robot is made. Number two, to study a line follower robot is an autonomous robot which is able to follow either a black line that the drawn on the 45-degree surface consisting of a contrasting color. 3. To ensure the robot will start moving when it receives a load exceeding 10 kg. Number 4. To ensure if there is an obstacle in front of it within 10 meters, the robot will receive instruction to stop. And then number 5. To ensure if there are no obstacles, then the robot will move again until it reaches the designated place. When the load is less than 10 kg, the robot will return to its origin. Problem statement. In Polytechnic Mersing, PMJ, the student cafe does not have a lot of workers that can manage the facilities efficiently. The number of students are increasing every semester. Because of this, a lot of work is delayed. The work of picking up leftover food and used dishes will be delayed. This will cause a food odor around the cafe and it can cause pollution. The following is information on the literature review for line follower. Line follower mobile robot for surveillance camera monitoring system demonstrate the development of a mobile surveillance camera monitoring system by Wira Hidayat bin Muhammad Saad 2018. Line follower robot for industrial manufacturing process, kind of autonomous robot which follow a line until the line exists. Generally, the line is drawn on the floor by Abhijit Phatak 2017. The use of computer-controlled line follower robot in public transport. There is a need for technological reform and innovation in public transport because of the increasing number of passengers by Omar Gomez 2016. Implementation of fuzzy-based line follower robot by using Arduino by Muhammad Safwan bin Muhammad alias 2017. And last, smart car monitoring system using Arduino. This project describes a design of effective information system that can monitor an automotive condition in traveling by Bhavana Patil et al. 2018. This research this is a block diagram for line follower robot cafe. This research use a battery to turn on the circuit. If there is a response from the sensor, the relay will move the motor. The robot will start moving guided by the sensor to detect the line and will move until there is a line. Design of the system. This system involves the use of sensors that allow the robot to move based on a given black line. If the black line is thick, then the robot will stop. The robot will start moving when it receives a load exceeding 10 kg. When the load exceeds 10 kg, the weight sensor will detect direct the motor to move along the black line. During the process of the robot move, if there is an obstacle in front of it within 10 meters, the robot will receive instruction to stop. The stop command is ready by the ultrasonic sensor. If there are no obstacle, then the robot will move again until it reaches the designated place. When the load is less than 10 kg, the robot will return to its origin. This robot uses an Arduino Nano microprocessor. Next, I will describe the element used to prepare the line follower robot cafe. Hardware implementation, motor driver, power supply, IR sensor, ultrasonic sensor, HX711 load cell amplifier. Software implementation, we use Arduino Nano. For flowchart, begin with start. If the dirty plate weight is less than 10 kg, the cafe robot will not move. While the dirty plate weight more than 10 kg, then the cafe line follower robot will start moving according to the black line made. The robot will stop if the obstacle is less than 10 cm, 10 meter. If there are no obstacle, it will continue to move. The robot will stop if the black line is too small. If the steps are lifted and the weight will be reduced below 10 kg, then the cafe robot will continue to move to the origin place. This is a prototype of Arduino-based line follower cafe robot. Have a H711 load cell amplifier, motor driver, IR sensor, and ultrasonic sensor. This is for real model for Arduino baseline follower cafe robot. In analysis of the circuit chart, we see Vin means input voltage. The input voltage is 7.6 volts. VCC is the output voltage. The output voltage is 5 volt. Nano pins A0 to A7 are analog input, while nano pins D0 to D13 are digital output. This is for IR sensor test. The component operate according to the code that were given. 1 means the component is on state, while 0 means the component is in off state. This is for weight sensor test. Each item have a weight and will be placed on the top of the sensor. Then the sensor will operate and the actual weight of the item will be given. When compared to the actual weight, it is a bit less. This is a symptom versus factor chart. Symptom number 1, Arduino Nano did not operate very well. So the factor is battery voltage is low. Symptom number 2, IR sensor did not operate properly. The factor is not enough input voltage. The trigger distance is either too short or too long. The chart above is the symptom that have been detected during the operation of the project. There are a few reasons that cause it to happen. After identifying the problem, a few solutions we found to solve them above chart, as above chart. Conclusion. Arduino Cafe robot, based on line follower concept, can reduce the manpower at Polytechnic Mesin Cafe. Dirty dishes and the waste of the food can be picked up automatically by the robot when it's full in the container place. This project can solve their problem. Food waste will not be idle. Flies and germs can be reduced. The cafe owner also do not have to hire many workers to complete the work of lifting dirty dishes and glasses. Thank you. So, I am Hamzah bin Zakaria, pensyarah utama Jabatan Kejuruteraan Elektrik Politeknik Mesin. My email is hamzah@pmj.edu.my or hamzahzakaria1@gmail.com.